this like seriously? You know what I'm saying? When did you realize you had a knack for it and you could say, hey, I'm gonna try to do this, I'm gonna get in the lab, do some songs or whatever have you?
But like in grade 7, you know, like I just kind of started, one day I got bored actually.
Okay.
And I decided to write a rap. And like, I had some friends tell me that I was pretty good at it, right? But like, you know, I thought they were just joking around with it. So I never really took it seriously. But then like one day I just posted a video on Facebook, and then from then on, like I just kind of
started blowing up.
to do it, yeah.
Tell you some, okay, all right, no doubt. So in terms of like recording, what do you have? Do you have like a project on deck? You got a mixtape, videos, like what's going on in the world of Big G, man?
I got a bunch of videos out right now, and
we're up on YouTube or something?
Yeah.
Okay.
And like I got some stuff inside the work. Like I got a mixtape that I'm working on right now called More to Come, and like right now it's kind of running around slow because like, you know, recording time and stuff like that and conflicting schedules. But like except for that, like I got a lot of stuff ready.
You can't really rush greatness either, man. You know what I'm saying? Like some brothers take like a couple years to put a project out because they want it to be the best of the best.
Yeah, that's probably what I'm doing right now too. Like I have a lot of songs, and I guess like I could put them out at any time. But like what I really want it to be is like I want it to be so good. Like I don't want it to be just some average thing that everybody's heard before.
Exactly, because anyone can put out tracks every single week, but what's the quality of the tracks that are coming out? You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be watered down. It's gonna be the status quo, what's happening in the industry, or it's gonna be something different. You know what I'm saying? And I remember when I first got your tracks in our email, I'm like, Big G. I'm like, who the hell's Big G? And I was trying to process it. I couldn't even figure out who he was. And then I heard the Letter to Myself joint. I'm like, okay, I don't know who this kid is, but joint's nice. You know what I'm saying?
Thank you.
You know what I mean? We ran it a couple times. We reached out to you, let you know that. And so coming up in hip hop. So obviously being 15, you came up in the era. Who was you looking up to?
Number one, absolutely Kanye West. Like
Bomb.
I grew up listening to a lot of that, his early album stuff and all that, College Dropout, Graduation and all that stuff. And like really like, you know, you look through a lot of classic albums in hip hop and like a lot of people grew up on all that Wu-Tang stuff, and like that's my classic album. Those Kanye West early College Dropout stuff, that's stuff that I look and listen to. Like he's really the biggest influence that I have on music on anything.
Interesting. And just Kanye, that's it? That's
No, I got a lot of other things. Like I'm
who else was Big G bumping and said, hey man, I can do this too, you know?
From the 90s especially, I got some, I listen to Biggie, Rakim, Tupac, some KRS One now lately. And like today, I listen to a lot of TDE, ASAP Rocky, Drake sometimes, you know, just a lot of guys who are just really pushing the bars on hip hop and changing the sound today.
All right. No doubt. I'm glad to hear you mention some classics there, man. You know what I'm saying? Like Rakim and
the God.
That's the stuff that I grew up on. You know what I'm saying? That makes me feel good to know that younger generations even acknowledging that, you know what I'm saying, and going back and doing their homework and saying, hey, that's what founded it for me right now, you know what I'm saying? So big up for that all day. What about in terms of like shows, man? You done any shows yet? You got anything in the works? What's going on? I know you're a younger dude and not of age yet, so you know what I'm saying? But no, you haven't written nothing at school yet, or?
Yeah, I did one thing at school so far. Like that's the only performance that I've gotten, and like yeah, definitely, I'm definitely looking to do some performances. So anybody out there, you better hook me up.
Oh, this is an all ages show. I'm thinking.
Yeah, I do an all ages show any day. Like I'm ready to perform at any time. It's just, you know, somebody's got to hit me up, and I'm looking for stuff out there too. Anyway, so.
Okay, word. Are you really in tune with what's going on in like the Steel City's hip hop scene in general?
Yeah, like I know a lot of really, especially the younger guys right now. Like I know a lot of Steel City artists who are like on the come up right now. You know, like a lot of City Saint and all them REMG guys. I don't necessarily like them, but like, you know.
I like that. Go on.
To say the least, like, you know, I listen to from Hamilton anyways. Like the only guys I really taken from Hamilton is UMSC, Ken FB, and of course my crew right here at Millbank.
Yeah, let them know who you got in the building, man.
I got my crew right here.
What's your crew name? What they call again?
Millbank, Kings of Millbank Village, KOMV.
Okay, word.
We got my dude Cool Will up in here. We got my dude Middlefish, Hazy, and Jav Zangu. We're missing Obi Mac. Shout outs to him, Illin, and yeah, but we just trying to come up right now.
Yo, brother, sound like y'all deep.
Yeah, like, you don't really, you know, like, I listen to some of these other rappers in Hamilton, and, like, no offense to anybody, right? And I don't like to be controversial, but, like, I listen to them, and it's, like, some of the stuff that y'all say, it's, like, I like to call it swag rap, and I don't like that. Like, it's too cheesy for me. It's so corny. Like, it comes out with this, and it's, like, yeah, like that. And it's, like, you gotta come up with something that's interesting, like, real and all that, right? And, like, you know, that's what my crew's really trying to do. Like, we're influenced a lot by, like, all the TDE guys, Kendrick Lamar, Schoolboy, and all that.
Okay. So, hey, the track Letter to Myself, man, like, are these real facts you're spitting on there, or is it just like life experiences of someone else that you were taking on, you know?
Yeah, my life experiences, like personal life experiences that I've gone through, you know.
Well, that's some deep stuff right there, man, you know what I'm saying? Like, that's one of the kind of tracks that, like you feel when you hear it. It's like, man, I feel, dude. You know what I'm saying? If that's the stuff you went through, I feel you. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. I remember the day I was writing that too, and I called my friend, and I was just like, yo, man, like I just kind of like did something, and I want you to hear it. And he was like, yo, that's really deep, man. And I was like, yeah, thank you. And he's like, yo, that could be pretty big. So I'm like, all right. And I made a video for it, and like everybody liked it. So
word. Okay, no doubt. In terms of beats, like, are you like seeking original? Do you have original production on any of your projects?
I do have original production on some of my projects. Like I'm influenced, like it's not really like influenced, but whenever I go on YouTube, I might search up like a Kanye West style beat, right? And like, you know, I'll listen to that thing, or maybe a Schoolboy beat or something like that. Usually I try to come up with beats that are like a little bit mellowed out, but like they still like have that boom to it, so that you can like, you know, bump to it, you know?
Don't know.
Yeah.
Got you. Okay. Big G in the building, man. There's a little bit of mix up. I mean, we got a bunch of y'all tracks, and there was a mix up. I was thinking you were gonna bring something. You didn't bring nothing. You didn't bring nothing either.
I mean, I got something on my phone if y'all really want it.
So I mean, yeah, we can try to get it on deck, but I mean, in the time being, maybe I'll put a beat on or something. Maybe you can spit some bars or something for us. Yes, no?
Yeah, let me see what I got inside my phone right now.
You know what I'm saying? Let me find a beat here for you. Let me know if you can get with that.
Yeah. I should be living inside the past. Mind moving slow, my body is hella fast. Skipping class, forking the road. Homie, pick a path, cause a little trouble, then we waiting for the aftermath. Just a bunch of young hooligans, wise in the brain, but I'm trying to act a fool again. I'm feeling cool again, really ill. My mind starts to crumble as soon as the bad news is in. I reside in 95, the music's still alive and I'm playing it with pride. I hope my mommy proud, no whistle on the field, but I let the opposition know the time is out. Yes, y'all, and it don't stop. We hear it ringing, but we just let the phone pop. On the firm flap, let the track stop. Got the boom box, take the mask off, your mascot with the ascot. Wrap his face up, put the dough in the oven till I get the cake up. Watch the header shake up, and we getting cake. No Cartier lenses or rolling around in Benzes. Beginning as a dream, reality's where the end is, and it's endless. We defenseless, and the pen is an extension of my message, and I'm tensing my demeanor. Drug dealers, $3 grand for the kilos. I mean kilos, performing all the free shows. I'm a hero, not a zero, and I cross lines every day, no free throws, and I do it like this for the people.
Hey, 15-year-old sensation, Big G. Woo, holding it down, man.
Thank you.
I must say, I'm gonna salute you, sir.
Thank you.
You doing your thing right there.
Respect to you too.
You know what I'm saying? How to get at you? Contact info, man. Twitter, Facebook,
Twitter,
email, whatever have you, man.
My Twitter at BigG1997. On YouTube, Big G Music 905. You can email me at biggkonv@gmail.com. You know, that's basically.
That's what it is. YouTube? You on YouTube?
Yeah.
Put that out there. You want to see your videos?
Big G Music 905. Search up Letter to Myself. 19,000 views and counting.
Wow, 19,000. Impressive, sir. Very impressive, man. So what we're gonna do? I'm gonna play some local music. We're gonna try to get some of your tracks on deck that you have on your phone. And hopefully we'll come back and play some of that. But in the meantime, we'll play some local stuff.
Yeah.
Big G, salute, homie. Let's go.